Welcome to the Kaizen 724 YouTube channel, where mindset meets methodology to create a great environment for continuous improvement. We believe that there are three core aspects of life that must be involved in the pursuit of continuous improvement, and those are thinking, behavior, and communication. What's behind our name, Kaizen 724? Kaizen is the Japanese word for continuous improvement. 724 means 7 days a week and 24 hours a day, a continuous pursuit of improvement. At Kaizen 724, we believe that every one of us has the potential to make things better for others, at work, at home, and in our communities. The purpose of our channel is dedicated to the pursuit of continuous improvement, both in the fields of business and personal development. Our mission statement is to build a community of over 1 million subscribers who are passionate about learning and taking action to make things better in business and their personal lives and communities. The content on our channel will be discussing topics related to psychology, process improvement methodologies, personal development, and quality management as they relate to continuous improvement. Our code of conduct is simple. Let's be professional, be polite, and be positive. This is a Kaizen 724 production. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go out and make things better.